Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to quickly search for image file types in the Dropbox app with the latest update. If you've ever needed to find photos or images stored in your Dropbox, but didn't want to scroll through endless files, this simple step-by-step guide will save you time and effort. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're inside, you'll notice the search bar right at the top of the screen. This is your starting point for finding any file stored in your Dropbox account. Next, tap on the search bar. This action unlocks additional search options and prepares the app to accept your input. You don't have to type anything just yet. Your focus now is to narrow down your search by file type. Look for the type filter icon. It usually appears as a small funnel or labeled drop-down near the search bar. Tap this icon and a menu will show different file type options. From these options, select Image. This filter will now tell Dropbox to only show files that are recognized as image formats, like photos, screenshots, or graphic files. Once you select Image, the search results will refresh automatically. Now, your screen will display only image files stored in your Dropbox account, sorted and easy to browse. You can scroll through all your pictures without sifting through non-image documents. This feature is especially useful if you organize files by projects or if you're managing a large number of visuals for work or personal use. And that's it. By simply opening the app, tapping the search bar, selecting the type filter, and choosing Image, you have an efficient way to locate exactly what you're looking for without delay. Whether it's a quick screenshot, a favorite photo, or a design file, Dropbox helps you find it in seconds. Thanks for watching.